Hello everyone, welcome to another Go High Level video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial, I will show you how to sync Go High Level with QuickBooks. Now, before we get started, for this tutorial, you will need a full Go High Level plan or at least starter plan to be able to sync Go High Level with QuickBooks. So you can get one with our 30-day free trial link down below, and you can get 30-day free trial on Go High Level. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to actually switch to our sub account. Now, obviously, you will need to switch to a sub account. Before doing that, actually, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go and log in into your QuickBooks. So basically go here and log in into your QuickBooks online. Now, once you log in right here, your web browser will save your information here. And what you want to do is you want to go here to your settings on the sub account. Keep in mind, we have to be on the sub account, and we need to go to integrations right here. So once we click on integrations, we'll have a bunch of integrations right here. Now what we need to do is we need to basically go here and connect our location QuickBooks account. So we can click connect, and as you can see, we'll have this this window right here. If you logged in into your QuickBooks account, you will be able to go here and put and basically be logged in automatically. However, if you don't have an account, you will need to create one right here. Now, once you click connect, that will pretty much be it. You will be able to connect your QuickBooks account with Go High Level. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on how to use QuickBooks with Go High Level, I can create that tutorial as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. You can get a 30-day free trial down below, so definitely check that out, and we'll see you in the next video.